Hello, welcome back to the channel and what should be the final video on the rebuild of this Fiat 500 hybrid from 2001. So just a reminder, if you've forgotten, because it's been a while, it's been a couple of weeks, hasn't it? It's just been too cold to do anything really. And I've had other stuff to do about the house. So bumper's ready to go on, everything else is on. That bonnet, that corner needs sorting out. It's bent in a touch. This polystyrene crash absorber, I presume, that clips on here, that's used as well. That came with the front panel crash bars, etc. Held on with a tab there, but there's no tab on this side, or it's broken off, so I've just put a cable tie on there just to keep it on. I think that should do. Might put another one in the middle or not. In fact, I might do. I'll put another one in the middle. And yeah, I think we'll start off with the bonnet, get that straightened up on the edge, and we get on with the bumper then. It's going to be tricky to do this on holding camera, but put my heat gun. Going to warm it up on this edge, just enough to make the metal bend, I suppose, without cracking the paint. I've just done a little bit of a test on the old bonnet just to see what I can heat it to without bubbling the paint. But yeah, let's give it a whirl. Right, well, get in there slowly but surely. I've took the light out just so I can do it while the bonnet's closed. Just stiffens the old bonnet up a bit while I'm knocking it, but also helps me with lining that up. So what's that? About 5 mil to go. Right, so there we go. It's about 15 or 20 minutes. It's a hell of a lot better. It's still not perfect, I don't think. I reckon there's a little bit more room for improvement on that. I did video it because I'd get absolutely panned for what I was doing then. Some obviously time-served body shop pros would have a lot to say, but yeah, not bad. I've not made it any worse, that's for sure. Well, it's nearly straight, isn't it? So yeah, a little bit more working on that and I think it'll be there. But yeah, these are not approved body shop methods, I don't think. Right, there we go. That's miles better. Yeah, I'll stick with that, I think, for now. That'll be fine. A little bit of touch up required there, but blimey, that is a lot better than it was. So yeah, it's the same as the other side. That's the other side. Yeah, it's all right. Not bad for me. We'll get the bumper built up, and once that's built up, get it straight on, and yeah, be pretty much done then, won't we? So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with that. Right, we've got the bumper back from Body Shop. Looks okay, so I'll get all the parts or what's left on the old bumper there, swapped over onto this one, put the new bits on, and then that should be able to get onto the car, and that will complete it then. I've just got to put an extra hole on each side at the top of the radiator panel, just for those fixings there. But yeah, pretty pleased. So this piece here, I think I mentioned it earlier on. So this piece on some bumpers are the reason why I had to get a new bumper. I just couldn't find a used bumper which was exactly this style. A lot of the bumpers have this piece missing, and it's a chrome insert that you stick in, and some other subtle differences, I think. But yeah, okay, let's get started. Right, this is quite a few days later now. This bit of black plastic that goes in there and mounts the chrome trim for the front was broken beyond repair, I think. So I ordered a new one that's come only a few days ago. Let's just have a see and get this bumper finished. So, camera down somewhere. I'm going to do with a bit of heat. I'm going to heat these tabs because it's really cold. It's been about -8 outside today, and it's not a lot warmer in the house, so I'll just heat everything up so I don't break anything. Right, so there we go. Not the easiest thing to get on it. Well, it probably was easy, but I think I was more worried about it breaking. But them clips are really tight. But it's all gone on. It takes a lot of pressing, and it's such a flimsy piece of plastic. So there we go. Okay, so now just the silver bit to go in, and I've just noticed as well, I folded a tab back on itself. How frustrating. See if I can get it in without wrecking it. There we go. And there's just 2 screws on the inside. Oh, sorry, 2 nuts. 2 nuts on the inside. One there, one there. That secures it. All right, there we go. Bumper all done. And then ready to go back on car. Brill, I think. Yeah, all sorted. Right, well, bumper's ready to go on. I've just a little bit of touch-up paint down there because that was needing touch-up before the bumper goes on. But yeah, I think we're good to go. Let's put the camera there. Right, sorted. Bumpers on. I think my camera stopped when I started filming, so I didn't get it going on, but no big deal. Yeah, fits nicely. All the gaps around there look good. Just before I actually got it on and bolted, I put it right up, plugged the lights in, checked all them, and they were fine. So that's good. We've got these 2. One there and one there that should have them bolts in. I'm in 2 minds whether to bother. Should I drill it and put them rivet nuts in, or should I just leave it? I don't know. It's like, oh, should I bother or not? It's secured well enough. I don't know, but no, whatever. I've just been messing about with this end as well, and I've got it a little bit better, so I'll leave it at that. Done all my touching in on the edges where it needs to be. Not done that yet, I'll need to do that. But I think that's it. So yeah, let's give it a good clean up. Let's just shut this bonnet. Lines up okay there. Nicely there, nice on there. A bit of touching up to do there. But yeah, it's all good. That is how that ended up. I could come a little more, couldn't it? But is it worth messing about for the chance? Yeah, I'll leave it. Or I might not. See what the wife thinks, it's her car. She won't, yeah, she'll probably say do it. I don't know, but yeah, looks good that side. Aye, great. Let's give it a clean, and then I'll give you a breakdown of all the costs, etc. as well. So see what the total price was. So here it is, completed at long last. So yeah, looking good. Go a quick walk around it. Yeah, it's looking nice and clean and fixed. There we go, lovely. So the total cost for this build, well, breaks down as follows. So the car itself was 5490. That was what price we paid at auction. Fees on top of that, the auction fees were 564. And then what I put down as delivery at 40 quid. So that was train, tram, taxi, and then driveway insurance, so 40 quid for that. Yeah, and then we've got the cost of all the repairs, so parts, front panel 108, bumper, the dearest bit really, the bumper. It was a brand new bumper, a genuine Fiat one. I couldn't find a used one, as I've mentioned previously on the video, for this style of car, so we had to go with that. We had no choice. That was 394.68. That's it, obviously including VAT, and then spraying that was 230. I think the guy's done a great job. Fantastic, really pleased with that. Then we've got the near side headlight 156, fog light on the near side 24. Headlight was brand new. I think it was a pattern part or whatever they call them. Fog light was used. Bonnet, a used bonnet in colour, 60 quid. The bonnet hinges used in colour, again 40 quid for both. Lower bumper grille, so the thing with the chrome dots on there at the very bottom, that was brand new, Fiat part, and that was 71.70. The fog light surrounds on either side of that, where were they? They were £56.39 each. Headlight lug kit for the offside headlight to repair those brackets, that was £19.20. Radiator top brackets, can't find a price for them, so they must have given me them for free. I bought a touch-up pen, that was £17.98 including delivery. And then there was that little bit of chrome here on the bumper, that was well, the chrome holder was £33.60, so a bit of black plastic that holds that together. I did try and save the chrome, but it broke, so I had to get a new piece of chrome, which was 39 quid, and then the epoxy, put that on at 8 quid. So yeah, total price for everything, car, parts, repair, that labour for body shop, etc., for the sprayer, sorry, that comes to now £7,408.94. So yeah, as you'll agree, I'm sure it's come out all right. So first one I've done. I think I'll do some more. Wouldn't get another 21 model because of the cost of the parts, etc. I think getting a vehicle, any vehicle really, that's a bit older than a few years old will make getting parts a lot cheaper. I forgot to add as well, yeah, there was 30 quid, wasn't there, for the aircon guy. The aircon guy, he didn't really need to come in the end because the aircon had already been emptied. Maybe I should have known that, I don't know. But anyway, regardless, he tested it, so I know that the system will hold pressure. So when it comes to refilling it again, I know that I'm confident that I'm not stripping it down again to find out what the problem is. So yeah, all in all, very good. Also, yeah, the match on the bumper, yeah, I'm happy with that. It's not a million miles out. I don't think bumpers ever are identical to the car, are they? They're always a slight bit darker. Yeah, no, it's fine. And the bonnet, yeah, pleased with the bonnet. It's allegedly from a 2017 car, according to the guy we got it off. So yeah, that's a great match. So that's it. Series over for the 2021 hybrid Fiat 500. Yeah, so check back again. Say, oh, you've liked it. I've enjoyed doing it, and yeah, I think I'll definitely do some more. So yeah, if you've liked it, please remember, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up for a like, and yeah, see you on the next one.